Hello, my name is Joshua Evans. I worked on FRASS as my senior capstone project along with Amrit Banga and Jonah Jellison. Today we are going to be talking about what FRASS is. A little bit introduction. We worked for our client, Dr. William Schlosser, or Dr. Bill, as we refer to him, and we worked alongside our mentor, AJ. A little bit about FRASS is that it's a program made by Dr. Bill to evaluate the value of land based on the timber that can be cut down, processed, and sold, both currently on it and growth out to 250 years about. Some of the goals that we had were enhanced FRASS via bug fixing, algorithms, UI updates, and many more pro- projects on it. A little bit. What I did is I worked on the flex taper algorithm. This whole algorithm is made to evaluate one tree. So let's say we take a tree at a certain time, take all the inputs, and we want to chop it up into logs and evaluate how much it might be worth. Doing this is an algorithm has the heavy side of it, and eventually is implemented into the evaluation of the whole property with over 150 trees on it.
To provide relevant economic cost data for multiple industries for our users, I implemented the FRED importer. This replaced the depreciated BLS importer, which no longer worked, and added 6 new data series using the FRED API. We now update this data weekly to ensure it remains relevant. This data is used in order to enhance the DLMP process, providing cost calculators, which allowed users to use relevant cost data and promote it to the present-day economy. The DLMP process also added new cost attributes, allowing for a more precise harvest valuation.
In addition to the flex taper and delivered log market enhancements, the team also implemented a bunch of quality of life or UI improvements to the application. Some of them include new columns with database support, sticky headers while scrolling, graph customization, and more. All of these contributed to improving the user's experience and workflow within the application.
Welcome back, and a little bit of impacts and benefits from this is it greatly impacts the different ways that people evaluate their land. We go out in 250 years and often to perpetuity, so however many years it takes, and we take into account all the market data, including the log prices, the future log prices, inflation, all of that. Um, that concludes our presentation. Thank you so much for watching.